How to buy Assist AI token. So this token came under the symbol of Assist. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this post from the MEXC listing account. As you can see, they said, hey, we are thrilled to announce that the Assist coin Kickstarter has concluded and Assist will be listed on MEXC. As you can see, this token added yesterday. Now it's available on MEXC. You can be able to buy this token on your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC account, go down in the description. We'll be able to find the referral link. Go and create on it MEXC account to benefit from rewards and funding time USDT. Now, how to buy this token? Go and log into your account on MEXC. Go back to this post to copy the token symbol from here. Now in the search, paste this symbol and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, click on the buy option, click on the limit. Now in the amount, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of the USDT on your account, and click on buy assist. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy assist. So this is how to buy assist token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.